In today's fast-paced world, where every minute counts, cooking often becomes a task that one wishes to complete with as much efficiency and ease as possible. Imagine a device capable of transforming the way you cook, a kitchen companion that not only promises to revolutionize your dishes, but also to make them healthier, tastier, and more convenient. Here is the Ultenic K20, the dual-compartment oil-free fryer that is about to become your new essential in the kitchen. So, if you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order your Ultenic K20 right away. The Ultenic K20 is ideal for modern families and cooking enthusiasts looking for a practical and healthy solution to quickly prepare a variety of tasty meals. Perfect for those who want to reduce their fat consumption without sacrificing taste or convenience. At first glance, the Ultenic K20 is not just an oil-free fryer, it is a promise of culinary freedom. With its impressive capacity of 7.6 liters in 2 cooking baskets of 3.8 liters each, this device is designed to meet the needs of a modern family. Whether you are dining with 8 people or simply looking for a solution to prepare a variety of meals, the Ultenic K20 is here to meet your needs. Imagine preparing crispy fries on one side and roasted vegetables on the other. All of this without the guilt associated with excess fat, but the magic of the Ultenic K20 doesn't stop there. Thanks to its intuitive interface, this device offers 6 automatic programs that turn the chore of cooking into a simple and enjoyable experience. Whether you want to fry without oil, maximize the crispiness of your food, roast, bake, reheat, or even dehydrate, the Ultenic K20 does it all with a single touch. And with a book of over 100 recipes available online, your culinary imagination will know no bounds. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. Let's talk about health and savings. The Ultenic K20 with its power of 2850W promises cooking that is up to 80% less fatty than traditional methods. It is a significant reduction in fat intake without compromising on taste or texture. Furthermore, compared to a traditional oven, the Ultenic K20 allows for energy savings of up to 80%. Fast, efficient, and eco-friendly, this device is designed to align with the values of modern consumers. The practicality of the Ultenic K20 does not stop at its cooking capabilities. Cleaning is often seen as the downside of cooking. And there, it becomes child's play. The removable baskets and drawers with a coating, dishwasher safe, eliminate the hours spent scrubbing. With the Ultenic K20, you have more time to enjoy the moments that truly matter. The Ultenic brand is also committed to providing responsive and high-quality customer service. With a 2-year product warranty and a 5-year local repairability warranty in France, your investment in the Ultenic K20 is secure. Ultenic understands the importance of your satisfaction and is ready to do everything to assist you. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to learn more about this truly exceptional product. Order it now and revolutionize your daily life. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, versatility, capable of baking, frying, roasting, reheating, and dehydrating with pre-programmed settings. Advantage number 2, energy savings. Consumes up to 80% less energy compared to a traditional oven. Advantage number 3, healthy cooking. Allows cooking with up to 90% less oil, promoting a healthier diet. Advantage number 4, dual compartment design. It offers the possibility to prepare 2 dishes simultaneously, thus saving time. Advantage number 5, ease of cleaning. Removable non-stick parts that are dishwasher safe. Advantage number 6, suitable capacity. With a total of 7.6 liters, it is perfect for families or group meals. Advantage number 7, support and warranty. Includes a 2-year product warranty and responsive customer service. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, the size of the device. It can be bulky in kitchens with limited counter space. Disadvantage number 2, noise level. With a noise level of 60 decibels, it can be considered loud in a quiet environment. In summary, the Ultenic K20 is much more than just an oil-free fryer. It is a revolution in cooking, a versatile device that promises not only delicious meals, but also a healthier and more convenient lifestyle. If you are ready to experience the cooking of tomorrow, to savor delicious and crispy dishes while maintaining a balanced diet, then don't miss out on the Ultenic K20. We invite you to click on the link in the description to order it at the best price, learn more about its innovative features, and discover hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your kitchen and your diet. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.